Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Steel Division 2. This acclaimed real-time strategy game immerses players in the intense battles of World War II. It offers a unique blend of tactical depth and historical accuracy. To begin your journey, you will need a personal computer, as the game is designed specifically for that platform. The process of acquiring the game is straightforward, primarily involving digital purchases and downloads from authorized online stores. The most common and recommended way to get Steel Division 2 is through the Steam platform. Steam is a widely used digital distribution service for PC games, offering a secure and reliable purchasing experience. Simply open the Steam client or website, navigate to the store, and search for Steel Division 2. You will find the official game page there. While Steam is the main hub, some other authorized online retailers might also sell legitimate game keys, so always ensure you are buying from a trusted source. Steel Division 2 comes in a base version, which already offers hundreds of hours of engaging gameplay across its campaigns and multiplayer modes. However, to truly enhance your experience, there are several downloadable content packs available. These expansions introduce new divisions, battlefields, and historical scenarios, significantly broadening the strategic possibilities. For players seeking the absolute fullest experience, the Ultimate Edition bundles the base game with many of these expansions, providing a vast amount of content right from the start. Before purchasing, it is crucial to ensure your personal computer meets the necessary system requirements for Steel Division 2. This will guarantee a smooth and enjoyable gameplay experience without performance issues. Key specifications typically include a 64-bit operating system, a capable processor, sufficient RAM, and a dedicated graphics card. You can find a detailed list of both minimum and recommended specifications directly on the game's store page on Steam or any other retailer. Taking a moment to review these will save you potential frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.